Hi, welcome to Foodie, and as promised, I'm going to try to get in another little Super Bowl snack we can have during football games. And this is going to be really quick and easy. I'm using some of the leftover marinara sauce from the meatball sliders from the last video. So we'll finish this up and let's get started. So like I said, this is going to be a kind of a quick video, but I think these are going to be pretty tasty. Got my deep fryer out, and we're going to make some sort of a fusion Chinese Italian egg rolls. So I'm kind of interested in trying these. We'll make these two different ways. One way is going to be leaning more towards the Italian side. One is going to be leaning more towards the Chinese side. If we take our egg roll wrappers, make sure they come to room temperature. Make sure you only get one. And I always like to use, I got it, it's kind of tore up. Dynasty brand. I think they usually work pretty good for me anyway. So what we're going to do here is, it's going to be real simple. I'm going to lay out my egg roll wrapper, and I've got some of the, the string cheeses you buy in the store. So I'm going to get two of them. Let me see how I'm going to do this. I think it might be better if we just pull them in half. And then as you see, we're going to lay them up here where they fit across good. That's about maybe a third of the way up. Yeah, that way I think we can just use one stick per egg roll. And now for the Italian side, I'm going to use again this leftover pesto we had from our meatball sliders. And I want to put just a little layer. I think that's good. Okay, so how you wrap these, it's real similar to like a burrito. I'm going to pull this skin all the way over. I'm going to roll it once. Then take each end, fold it over, and then just finish rolling. And then right at the end, we're going to just put a little bit of water on here so that it sticks good. We'll do two of those. And like I said, these we will dip in our leftover our marinara sauce. You can have it room temperature, or you can warm it up. I think I'll warm mine up a little bit. All right, let's deep fry these and see how they turn out. So we're going to fry these just till they start getting a little bit golden brown. You can kind of flip them over once in a while, make sure both sides get cooked good. This looks pretty good. Just starting to turn a little brown. And that was 2 to 3 minutes. We'll make a note, those are on the left side. And these we're going to lean a little bit towards the Chinese side. We're going to do basically the same thing, except we're not going to put the pesto in. So our difference is really going to be the dipping sauce. And I'll just go ahead and put this in here while I'm doing the other. You don't really have to do a timer because you can tell pretty much when they're done. Just make sure you got that oil nice and hot. I've got, gosh, 2 or 3 or more willet egg roll kind of videos, and they've all turned out really good so far. Okay, so here's what we have. I've got my marinara sauce here. And then for the Chinese dip, I really love this stuff. It's Tiger Sauce is the name of it, and it's called Sweet Heat. And it's kind of like a sweet and sour sauce, but it's got a little bit of kick to it, a little bit of spice. Okay, let's try these. This was my Italian side. I don't know if you can hear how nice and crispy these things are. That cheese is just melted nice. Now we'll try the tiger sauce. I really like both of them. But of course the cheese and the marinara sauce really go good together. Very good. Quick little football Super Bowl snack. You can make these in advance, put them in the freezer, then you can just pop them in the oven at, I don't know, 375 to 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and you have them all ready to go. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie right over there. And thank you for watching.